Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Safe Search won't turn off in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's what you have to do. First of all, open Microsoft Edge. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions, manage extensions. If you find any Safe Search extension, then remove it. Okay, the second thing is that you need to perform a clean boot on your system. If that doesn't help, then search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, okay, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.